Hey, I know exactly why you clicked on this video, and it's either one of two very good reasons. The first being the fact that you're interested in joining an open SMP server, and the second being that you're already subscribed and want to see what the video has to offer. Here's what my SMP has to offer you, and why it's basically better than every other SMP that you can possibly join that's not mine. We've got maids, we've got a maid cafe, we've even got a sunset bar for you to partake in some lovely late night dates. We've even got weddings, a gigantic castle, and even some lovely anarchists. Wait, what? I mean, people that love the government system. Periodically, we even have a voting system, kings/queens, and even plot points that we're looking into to make the SMP so much more interesting than any other boring SMP. I myself actually stream on Twitch with around 6,000 followers at this very moment, and every other day I show everyone's progress on the server and what they've made, check out people's houses, and work on some projects of my own. Now you might be wondering, this sounds amazing and all, but how the heck do I actually get onto the SMP? Is there an application? Do I need to get whitelisted? Nope, it's actually something you can join right here and right now. The information will be posted up on the screen for simplicity's sake, and all the information can also be found in the description of the video. I also highly recommend joining the Discord server if you decide to join or have any questions. It'll also be where we put up things like maintenances and server shutdowns and announce you guys on the current status of the server and what's exactly going on with it. Yes, you heard it right. Both Java and Bedrock, PE plus PC, are able to join and play on the server. The thing about joining through Bedrock Edition though is that you leave the port the same exact thing as it is by default and name it whatever you want. The only thing that's crucial is the IP. And it's the same IP as the Java one. You're welcome, dear PE users. Now that we have all of the technical details out of the way, here are some lovely visuals I've taken of the server and the builds our amazing players and builders have created, all in survival mode. All while I explain some details about the SMP and what our goals for the SMP are and other important things I thought would be good to know. It's an SMP that I decided to create around a month and a half ago with some friends of mine, later opening it to viewers to join and allowing it to actually be a place where a lot of people can come together and make a bunch of friends. Now, I know exactly what's going through your head right now. They've probably already played the game. Everyone is probably already all decked out with netherite gear. What's the point of playing on it if I'm the only one that's joining that's gonna have absolutely nothing? Well, that's because the focus isn't really on who has or gets the most stuff. It's called an SMP for a reason. We highlight the multiplayer aspect of it. You get to meet a lot of new people in a bunch of groups or nations, or even start your own. Furthering that, we also promote the overall SMP storyline or plot points, and for those wondering what that even means, it's basically what the Dream SMP uses to direct its overall story. We've actually got the primary nation that all are put under in the beginning, and have an election coming up soon, which is going to be exciting. People have already started putting boards up and listing the reasons as to why they should get voted by the people in the first place. Are you a content creator just like me, and you want to stream or record on the SMP? Go for it. I myself actually stream the SMP on Twitch all the time. I love coming on and seeing everyone's builds, so feel free to check us out whenever you get the chance to, and hit that record or live button. And finally, one of the most important parts that a lot of people seem to have a misconception of. Guys, it's a public server. So yes, you can invite your friends to it. And that just about wraps up the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. Leave a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed today's video, and let me know what you think of the server in the comments section below.